The next step is called Punta Talon, and it goes like this. Basic, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's look at the step in detail. We start over cross. We prepare basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, cross. Now, tip, heel, and cross. Tip, heel, and cross. When we do the tip, we join the adductors and keep the legs together. Cross, either on the heel for the men or on the tip for the ladies, and we keep the legs together. And over cross. Transfer the weight on the other leg and start again. Tip, heel, and cross. Tip, heel, and cross. 5, 6, 7. From the other side, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From the basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, Punta Talon. 5, 6, 7. Prep, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back to basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it with music.